Hi everyone and welcome back to the course. Today we are going to learn how we can write private members in Python. Let's open our Visual Studio Code and let's quickly make one class like person, or let's say employee, and provide some variables like name string and then salary number, salary int type, then def one constructor. And if you don't know this syntax, just refer my Python classes lecture. There I have told you how you can use all these things. And just I'm going to use self.name is equal to name, self.salary is equal to sal. Hit save. Okay. And now we can use emp1 is equal to employee. Just pass the name, for example, Tom, and salary and $1,000. Hit save. Okay, and now I can print emp1 dot name, and also we can print emp1 dot salary. Hit save and play the button. You get Tom and 10,000. But what happens if you want to make these variables private? Right now they are treated as public. Okay, they are treated as public. What happens if you want to make it private? So in languages like JavaScript or in TypeScript or Java, you can use private keywords. But here in Python, in order to make it private so that you cannot access the variables like this, you need to add double underscore in front of these names. Now they are private. Okay. Now if I try to get this like this, and everywhere where you have used it like this, just use it like this, hit play, and you see employee object has no attribute name, that because it's private. Now to access this variable, you need to define their getters, like for example get emp name self, and I now need to return self dot name like this. And same goes for salary, get emp salary self return self dot salary. And now if I call these functions like this, okay, hit save, hit play button, now you get the exact same output. So like this you can make private members in Python. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. And please give us support because we want to reach 600 subscribers as soon as possible. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning.